Hello everyone, welcome back to Autopulse. With rising fuel prices, growing environmental concerns, and a renewed passion for slow travel, camper tricycles have become more than just a niche trend, they're a movement. Unlike traditional RVs or even camper vans, a tricycle camper offers a unique combination of mobility and minimalism. It's light, efficient, and can take you places that larger vehicles simply can't. The green camper tricycle is a futuristic take on this idea. Designed for urban explorers, off-grid wanderers, and eco-conscious travelers, this three-wheeled mobile home is powered by both pedal and electric assist. It's a tiny house on wheels that doesn't compromise on comfort or sustainability. At first glance, the green camper tricycle looks like a hybrid between a cargo bike and a compact RV. The frame is made of lightweight yet durable recycled aluminum, ensuring strength without unnecessary weight. The trike's body is enclosed with weather-resistant composite materials, providing insulation and protection from the elements. Inside, the layout is surprisingly efficient. There's a small but comfortable sleeping area, which folds into a seating space during the day. A collapsible table doubles as a workspace, making it perfect for digital nomads. Storage compartments are strategically placed to hold gear, food, and other essentials. One of the standout features is the built-in solar panel system. The roof is covered in thin, high-efficiency solar panels that charge a lithium-ion battery. This powers LED lights, a small ventilation system, and even a USB charging station for your devices. The green camper tricycle comes with an advanced pedal assist system, giving you the flexibility to ride manually, use electric power, or combine both. The battery offers a range of up to 60 miles on a full charge, depending on terrain and usage. Regenerative braking helps extend battery life by converting kinetic energy back into power. Despite its compact size, this camper trike is designed for stability. The three-wheel design provides balance, and the low center of gravity ensures a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. Suspension on the rear wheels adds extra comfort, absorbing bumps on rough trails. For those who love to take the scenic route, the green camper tricycle is equipped with an off-road mode. Wider tires, a reinforced frame, and an optional towable cargo trailer make it easier to travel beyond city streets. So, what's it really like to live in the green camper tricycle? The key to making this lifestyle work is embracing minimalism. Space is limited, but every inch is designed with intention. Cooking is done using a compact induction stove powered by the solar battery or a small portable propane burner. Water storage is built into the frame, with a foldable sink for basic washing needs. Setting up camp is quick and simple. Many trike travelers prefer to stop at campsites, but with the compact footprint of this vehicle, stealth camping is also an option. The small footprint allows you to park in urban areas or slip into a quiet forest clearing with ease. At night, the insulated cabin keeps the temperature comfortable, and blackout shades ensure privacy. Some models even come with a retractable rooftop tent, offering an additional sleeping area for two. Eco-friendly travel, no gas, no emissions, just the power of your legs and the sun. Affordable living, no expensive fuel costs, lower maintenance, and no need for RV parks. Ultimate freedom, unlike cars or large campers, this trike can go anywhere: bike paths, hiking trails, even narrow city streets. Health benefits: the pedal assist system encourages movement while still offering electric support when needed. As we move toward a future that prioritizes sustainability, compact living solutions like the green camper tricycle could redefine what it means to travel. It's a way to explore without harming the planet, to embrace adventure without excess, and to truly experience the world at a slower, more intentional pace. Would you consider taking this trike on the road? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more nomadic travel content. Until next time, keep exploring and stay free.